How to open Lloyds Bank account online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can apply for Lloyds Bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a Lloyds Bank account online, first of all just come to the official website, which is lloydsbank.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to lloydsbank.com, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to click on this personal option over here, as you can find it, or the product and services section. When you go to product and services, go to savings account and then just go to the option known as all savings account. Once you do this, you just need to select the type of savings account that you want over here. Once you select the type of savings account that you want, you can simply go ahead and then basically apply for a savings account, in this case over here. So now what you need to do is just select it up like this and then just select try out, or this fixed term savings or instant access savings, or whatever type of savings account that you want to create. Once you've selected them, just go ahead and fill in those details, and then after you've completed the steps, your Lloyds Bank account will be successfully created. This way you can basically create a Lloyds Bank account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.